What's up, guys? Jay Sensei Plus. So today I have another pair of I have another pair. I bought a pair of headphones. I want to review the Soundcore Anker Soundcore Life 2 Neo. We're gonna put it down with my down camera view, and let's do this. All right, so let's start with the unboxing. Actually, before we unbox, let's read this. So it's 40mm drivers deliver high-res sound with bass-up technology, extended 60-hour playtime, charge for 5 minutes, listen for 5 hours. That's nice. USB-C charging, of course. Everything has to be USB-C now. USB-C is amazing. Ultra comfortable and breathable air cups. Bluetooth 5 for skip-free streaming. Look at the side here. Incredible sound, loved by 10 million people. Is my ring light glitching out? Huh. Pure audio clarity. 5-minute charge equal 5-hour playtime. I'll have to mention the USB-C, of course. So I got these for $40. I don't know how much you'll find them for. I can't open this plastic. Oh, let me change make my ring light a little cooler. Add that cool light effect. Hold on, let me find something to open this. Oh my gosh. I know this is an ASMR to you guys right now. Actually, let's try it. This is some bad ASMR. Oh, it's stick to my wall. Well, I'll have to go get those scraps. All right. We're getting closer to opening it now. Oh my gosh, that took forever. All right. Nice opening here. Up. Let's slide this out. Now, took everything out the box. Here it is. A nice presentation. Oh, are these foldable? Yes, they are. All right. First things we start off with. We start off with the aux cord, audio cable, and then a nice Anker USB-C cord cable. Before we get to the headphones, Soundcore Life 2 Neo. Quick start. I can't pick it up. Quick start guide. Let's pop that open. Look at the sound ASMR, guys. Like, bro, why is there tape stuck to the? Here we go. Let's open this. This is that's a quick start. How do we sound? What's this? You sound great. We are happy that you're happy. Why not help other people tell something? How we do sound. How do we sound? What? But you know what? Then I guess this is the important stuff. All right, this is what we want here. Step 1, learn everything. So we have the bass up button, the volume up and skip button, the volume down and skip button. The power button could be used to turn on Bluetooth and answer call, end call, play, pause, and Siri. They have an LED, USB-C, and aux in. All right, of course, 2 hours of charge gives you full playtime. Red light means the low needs charge. Blue light means fully charged, of course. On, hold for 3 seconds. Light flash for 1 second. Hold for off, hold for 3 seconds. Light flash for 1 second. So I guess that's why you can do that cool activation stuff. All right, for Bluetooth. Bluetooth on, connect, light will hold for like 5 seconds. Soundcore Life 2 Neo. And then phone 1, phone 2. All right, more Bluetooth stuff. Oh, so it can connect to 2 phones? What's 2 devices so you can switch between them. Oh, there's more in the back. Okay. I just want to learn about the voice assistant. Hold it for 1 second. To answer the call or decline the call, hold for 1 second. End the call, hold for 1 second. The music abilities, and then the Chinese stuff, and yeah. Now that we got through those, the main product. Ooh, these are over-the-ear headphones I've got. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna get them out without like I'm messing them up. But, you know, let's just. They shine. These are some nice headphones. These are really nice. There's the bass up button, volume 65 charge. Oh, they do.
Battery medium.
Battery media. Oh, it has the voice. Can I turn it off? Soundcore. Let me put them on real quick. Just want to say, just wearing them feels so nice. Let's get an audio test. All right, I have it connected by the audio cable because I don't want to connect it with Bluetooth because I'm using my phone to record, and the device I have is not my phone. So let's just put these on for you guys. Let's turn the bass up. Volume up. I hope that sounds nice. Let me try them. Yeah, these are really nice. They're really nice. All right, that's enough vibing out. Oh, that sounds amazing. Let's pause it. That's some great audio. Anyways, you guys want to see this up? Got the ring light going down. First, why we'll do more unboxings. It's a close up of the cable. Anyways, honestly, if you guys want to get those headphones, they are fantastic. I already love them, and I only use them for like 3 minutes. So I'm mostly going to use these for school and working out. I don't know what you guys are going to use them for, but the bass is amazing. But I'm not kind of a sound guy, so don't take all these sound reviews from me. Just say I'm recommending them, and I think they're amazing. And you should get them, honestly. If you're looking for a pair of headphones, good headphones for a decent price, you should get these ones. Soundcore, Anker, Life Neo 2, whoever you want to say it. It's Life Neo 2s. Life 2 Neos or whatever. Highly recommend. If you guys enjoyed, I'll see you guys in the next one. Jin Sensei out.